Good morning. This is Mark Soderberg with ADM Investor Services with your morning ag outlook for Tuesday, August 27th. Well, a lot of red here on the screen this morning. Corn right now is steady to about a penny better. Bean prices actually firming up now. They're steady to a touch higher, buck or two higher in the meal. Oil is down 15 to 20 points, and wheat is mostly lower, down 2 to 4 in Kansas City, Minneapolis and Chicago, about steady now in Kansas City. After yesterday's close, USDA did report lower crop ratings for corn, soybeans, and spring wheat. Corn ratings slipped 2% to 65%, good to excellent. Despite the drop in ratings, they're still the highest rated crop since 2018, and to me would suggest an average national yield of 183.2. That's down about a bushel from last week, and now just above the USDA estimate in August at 183.1. Ratings did decline in 10 states while improving in 5, holding steady in 1. 46% of the crop is dented, same as a year ago, and just ahead of the 5-year average of 42%. 11% of the crop is mature. Harvest is cruising along in the deep south. Louisiana is now reporting at 76% complete, Texas 65, Mississippi 46, all at or above their historical average pace. Bean ratings also slipped down 1% here to 67%, good to excellent, in line with expectations, and it remains the highest rated crop since 2020. To me, ratings would suggest an average yield of just below 54 bushels an acre. That's above the USDA forecast of 53.2. Ratings improved in only 4 states and declined in 13. 89% of the crop is setting pods, while 6% are dropping leaves. Just a few states reporting harvest progress: Louisiana 17% and Mississippi at 7%. Spring wheat ratings did fall sharply, down 4% last week to 69%, good to excellent. I've got yields at just above 51 bushels an acre. That's well below the USDA forecast of 52.6 here in August. Could very well be the final crop rating report of the year, with harvest now reaching 51%. That was well above market expectations. Outside of the USDA progress and condition reports, fresh news is rather limited. Korean Feed Group did buy 66,000 metric tons of South American feed-grade corn at $233.50 a metric ton on a CNF basis, that for fall shipment. Algeria did pass on a recent tender for corn and barley. A lot of talk of Argentine corn acres dropping a lot this year. Big shift to beans with last year's leafhopper disease crippled corn yields in that state. I got another 24 to 48 hours of extreme heat across the nation's midsection. Potential for record temperatures here in Chicagoland today, with temperatures expected to peak just shy of 100 degrees. Some healthy rainfall did fall overnight in the last 24 hours across the north central Midwest as storms kind of ride up and over this high pressure ridge. Temperatures will gradually level off to more seasonal levels here over the Labor Day weekend. Rainfall over the next week to continue to favor the north central Midwest, West Texas, and just spottier coverage here in the eastern Corn Belt. Little moisture expected for the far western Corn Belt and northwestern plains. For now, corn just seems to not find much reason to bounce. We did hold yesterday's lows, however, as we continue to work through liquidation of last year's crop while searching for a boost in demand or some fuel to spark a short covering rally. Nove beans did poke above last week's high overnight at $9.85 before stalling out. For now, bean oil rejected trade over 42 cents a pound, falling back a touch. And then a meal that continues to bump up against resistance. Last week's highs at 317.70. New lows overnight for wheat. Just can't seem to get anything going there. No sales yet announced on the Jordan tender. So nothing here to change the bearish tone. Thank you for listening, everyone. Have a great day.